Moto G51 5G India launch set for December 10, could feature Snapdragon 480 Plus, 50-megapixel camera. Motorola Moto G51 5G is set to launch in India on December 10, the company announced over the weekend. The smartphone, which is part of the company's latest budget smartphone lineup, will be sold via Flipkart. Moto G51 5G was launched in Europe last month, along with Moto G200, Moto G71, Moto G41, and Moto G31. It is equipped with the Snapdragon 480 Plus SoC, a 50-megapixel triple camera setup, and a 6.8-inch LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. Moto G51 5G price in India, expected, availability. The official Moto G51 5G India launch date has been confirmed by the company on Twitter, and Motorola has revealed that the smartphone will be available via Flipkart starting December 10. The smartphone is likely to arrive in 3 color variants: aqua blue, bright silver, and indigo blue. Previous leaks have suggested that the smartphone could be the company's first 5G-enabled G-series smartphone priced under the 20,000 rupee mark. Moto G51 5G was launched last month in Europe with a price tag of €229, roughly 19,400 rupees. Moto G51 5G specifications. Moto G51 5G was launched in November in Europe with the Snapdragon 480 Plus SoC, paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The smartphone features UFS 3.1 storage, which is expandable via microSD card. Moto G51 5G is equipped with a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2400 pixels, IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Moto G51 5G will reportedly be one of the first smartphones to launch in India with the Snapdragon 480 Plus SoC. On the camera front, Moto G51 5G sports a triple rear camera module, featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor, paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Just like Moto G200, Moto G71, Moto G41, and Moto G31, which were all launched globally on November 18, Moto G51 5G is also equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery.